what you really want.
Turn me up, Ali.
I know your image of me is what I hope to be.
Black lip bastard, pass me your password so I can hack inside your brain. See, I too have gone insane. Before I fall, I'm sure to curse you all in Jesus' name. Lead shower and a pebble hour, bitch stand the rain.
What you really want?
Let me get it back, Ali.
When we do interviews, don't ask me about no movement,
Yeah, I'm good.
no cruise, no posse, no clips. If it ain't about TDE, I wanna hear this shit, bitch.
Look inside my parking garage and see a collage of every person I despise since the moment I turned 5. Calculate my steps and strategically took my time. Even falling off, I land on the ass of Nicki Minaj.
So soft.
Eat that pink pussy like it's Friday. Bust one, Roman reload, then smoke the Sade. And somebody tell Rihanna too, I need that vagina too.
Hey baby.
Don't fucking take me for some kind of fool. I'm kinda the reminder of knowing Compton ain't kinda cool. Good kid, Mad City, mountaintops couldn't see my views. Countertops, we hop over, hit the register, then we move. I hope this shit can register on the regular soon before I climb this pedestal and make you catch my fucking stool. K-Dot, leave them grieving on evening news. Even when society break even, I'll break rules.